Here's what I found is the easiest way to take out an avocado pit. You want to take your knife and put it in there like this, and then just turn it, and it should pop right out. Here's how I cut my avocados for the avocado mango salad. I just take 3 cuts usually, lengthwise, and then 2 cuts this way. And then you're gonna take your spoon, comes right out. This avocado was a little overly ripe. You can see the brown here. So just scoop out the brown and put it to the side. Here's a quick look at my mango avocado salad, and it is so delicious and flavorful. It has green onions and cilantro on top. I like to leave the pits in it until we serve it, just so that the avocado doesn't go brown. But that's how it looks. And I think this is the biggest one we've ever made. There's 6 avocados in here.